Notion Dropshipping Honest Review, watch before using. Links to the platform and related resources are added in the description. In this video, I'm giving you an expert, straight-to-the-point review of Notion and how it can be used for dropshipping, so you know exactly what it offers, who it's made for, and whether it's worth integrating into your business. Notion is an all-in-one workspace designed to help dropshippers and e-commerce entrepreneurs organize, manage, and track every aspect of their store from one place. It combines notes, databases, task management, and collaboration tools, making it ideal for managing products, suppliers, orders, marketing campaigns, and business processes without juggling multiple apps. Its flexibility and customization are what set it apart, allowing you to create workflows that match your business needs perfectly. The core strength of Notion for dropshipping is its versatility. You can build product catalogs, track inventory, manage supplier contacts, plan content and social media schedules, and even maintain customer databases, all within the same platform. Its database system allows you to filter, sort, and link information, which is extremely useful when dealing with multiple products, niches, or sales channels. Templates for e-commerce management, project tracking, and marketing planning make setup quick for beginners, while advanced users can create custom dashboards, automate workflows with integrations like Zapier or Pabbly Connect, and track KPIs efficiently. Collaboration features also make it easy to work with virtual assistants, suppliers, or marketing teams in real time, ensuring everyone has access to up-to-date information. Notion also excels in its visual and organizational tools. You can use Kanban boards, calendars, tables, and galleries to view your data in the way that suits your workflow best. This makes it simple to monitor tasks, deadlines, and product launches, reducing errors and improving efficiency. With its note-taking capabilities, you can store SOPs, marketing strategies, or supplier agreements, keeping everything centralized. While Notion doesn't directly handle product sourcing, order fulfillment, or marketing automation, it acts as the central hub where all these operations can be tracked and coordinated seamlessly. So who is Notion made for? It's perfect for dropshippers, e-commerce entrepreneurs, and small business owners who need a centralized, flexible system to organize products, tasks, and business operations. Beginners benefit from templates and simplicity, while advanced users can fully customize databases and dashboards to optimize efficiency. Overall, Notion is a reliable, all-in-one organizational tool that helps dropshippers stay structured, track progress, and scale their business efficiently without missing a single detail.